welcome back. Today I have a stack of palettes that I have, went through my collection and selected. And these are palettes that I consider my summer palettes. Now, of course, I can use these any time of the year. But when I decided that I wanted to go back to selecting palettes that I concentrated on for a specific period, I thought that these would make good palettes for summer. So I'm just going to start in no particular order and go. And one of the first ones is my Hershey Kisses by Glamlight, the cream, cookies and cream. Now, of course, I love cookies and cream ice cream. That's my favorite flavor. And so that certainly helps, but also the color story. The color story is a blue, monochromatic, very blue colors. And they're gorgeous, and blue is my favorite color. And this particular color right here, this mid-tone blue, is one of my absolute favorites in my collection, as well as this, which of course I stuck my nail in. It looks weird, but this is some of my favorite blues. So yes, that is for my water loving soul. And yes, I do love water. Okay, now this one is going to be, you're going to find this a weird thought. It's called Disco Drip. And so to me, of course, disco is at night and you can go to a disco anytime. But to me, I thought, well, that kind of sounds like, like festival going. And when I look at this palette, though I've struggled with this palette, and this palette is number 12 in my neglected palettes, and I just stuck my fingers in this one. I'm doing well, aren't I? I liked the idea of all of these shimmers because this palette is shimmer heavy with only one matte right here, IYKYK. So if you know, you know. So there's just one matte. So the rest are shimmers, which to me, and Lord knows I don't go to festivals. No, thank you. I'll stay in my air conditioning. Thank you. But I like the idea. Like, I understand the, attraction to that. Then we have our Wet n Wild color icon, Call Me Sunshine. And thank you very much. Sunshine, summer. We've got our golds, our very warm town browns, beautiful, easy to make a look. I can wear it to the office without eyebrows. Ask me if I care if there are eyebrows raised for whatever I do. Nope. And I work for some very conservative people, and that's all I will say. If you know, you know. There we go. The next is Blue Tone 2. It's called J-Cat Dia and Noche Around the Clock palette, and this is a blue-green palette. And again, can't open it. The blues for water, sky, the greens, grass, the trees are in full bloom, full coverage. I love it. So we're going to try that. I then have now two of these palettes are similar, but I think I can do that. It is the Margarita by Glamlight, and this palette is, so juicy and fruity and a little bit scary for me, but that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to, again, wear colors that kind of scare me. I did use this palette for Easter. Was it this palette? Yeah, I did. I used the blue and the green, and I really liked it. I put it on heavy, and I wish I would have maybe used a white-based primer or something to make it look better, but I liked it. So I'm going to use that one. Now, this Mimosa is pretty much the same. BH Cosmetic, Weekend Vibes Mimosa. Now, we don't have blues. We have just a orangey, orange, juicy, peachy deliciousness going on. So I thought I'd try it, see if I like it, see if I can do something with it that is fun. Okay, so I picked 3 blue palettes, but it's my favorite. And this is the Moon Slice Beauty Blue Moon. It is gorgeous blues, purples, beautiful, beautiful. The sun and the sky and the sea again. So that's good. I have got another Dia and Noche by J-Cat, and this one is Dia. And Day, of course. Beautiful. So there we go. We've got some beautiful pink shimmers. We've got some purples. We've got a little orange. We've got a green in the corner. I think I can do a lot with this. So I really like J-Cat palettes, and they don't have a lot, but the ones that I do have, I really like. Okay, so then my very last one is the Profusion Cosmetics Love You So Brunch. And again, this to me is a festival type palette. And we have these two, where are you? Glitters that I won't use. This beautiful green and this beautiful gold. I won't use it, but it's pretty and it is summery. It's festival vibey. So even though I won't be going to any festivals, I can at least imagine that I did. But I stayed in the comfort of my own home, which is me to a T. So those are my summer palettes. If you are doing the same, if you would like to comment what palettes you're using, and you know, tell me how you envision at least summer in your mind. So thank you so much for coming along for my video on my summer palettes. Until next time.